Welcome back to my channel Beliza. It's all about beauty and grace. I really hope you guys are doing well, fine, and really safe at home. So since it's summertime and of course during summertime also our body needs the right amount of moisturization, right amount of hydration, and but at the same time we also don't want कि यार और भी ज़्यादा हमारी स्किन जो है वो चिपचिपा रहे या स्टिकी रहे, ऑयली रहे, बिकॉज हम सभी को पता है कि समर मीन्स ह्यूमिडिटी, समर मीन्स too much of hotness, too much of humidity, too much of sweat, एंड इसके कारण कुछ भी हम लोग लगाते हैं, स्पेशली मॉइस्चराइजेशन और लोशन बहुत ज़्यादा हेवी फील होता है, लगता ही है कि यार कुछ अप्लाई तो ज़रूर किया हुआ है. सो आई केम अप विथ माई फेवरेट्स लाइक विच आई हैव बीन यूजिंग फ्रॉम क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम, और कुछ है जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में यूज़ किया है, बट इनिशियली आई एम लाइकिंग द फॉर्मूला एज वेल. सो या today I'm going to share with you all my favorite summer body care products, like body products. So yeah, keep on watching. So first I will be talking about body milk. So before I talk about the body milk, before I start showing you the product, let me give you a bit idea about what body milk is, like what is the term body milk is. So basically body milk is a lighter version of lotion or cream, and it's in water based form. So it's in liquidy form, which means एकदम ही ये sticky नहीं है, एकदम ही non greasy है, but at the same time it will give you the need of moisturization, it will give you the hydration which your body needs. So this is exactly the same, and you have to use it exactly the way you use your normal cream, lotion, whatever you use on your daily basis. So this is exactly like same, but a very lighter formula. The formula is really lighter, and it's come in spray form. So I'm going to show you. So I have two body milk, both are from the same brand, Nykaa. So this one is Wanderlust, which is a jasmine flavor, and this one is Sweet Pea. This is also from the Wanderlust collection. So both are a spray form, like it comes in spray form, so you have to spray a bit on your body, and then you have to like massage it instantly, so that it sprays evenly all over your hands, body, legs, everywhere, wherever you want to apply body lotion, body milk, anytime. Okay, the first body milk I have is the Nykaa Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine. So if you are a jasmine lover, if you love jasmine, if you are a floral lover, yeah, you're gonna love this one. This smells really good, exactly like jasmine. Smells exactly like jasmine, not that overpowering, but exactly like that. And it comes in spray bottle. You can see it comes in spray bottle. This is a nozzle, and it got a very fine spritz. I will show you. Can you see? Yeah, this is how the spray works, and this is really moisturizing at the same time, and I really love it. It's not much left, I think this much is left because I'm using it as I have extremely oily body, so I need this. So not oily body, my skin is dry, but क्या होता है कि समर में इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू यूज़ एज लाइट प्रोडक्ट एज यू कैन, लाइक जितना कम उतना ही ज़्यादा समर में. सो गो एज लाइट एज यू वांट, and this is really cool, like very compact. जब मन करे just spray it and just massage it, बस you're good to go. You don't have to take it out, you don't have to apply separately, and it's very time consuming as well. And other one is this is their Sicilian Sweet Pea. It smells a bit sweety, but I really love it. I really love the packaging, like it's a baby pink color, which I love, and this smells more good. Like I love this more than this one. How to use it, or what is the exact way to use it? So you need to spray a bit on the, I'm spraying on back of my hand like this. Spray from far, like 2 to 3 centimeter. Yeah, you can see the water, like it's not exactly water, of course it's a product based water, which is really cool. And just now massage it gently on your like the way you normally massage all your everyday body lotion. Okay, and you can see how instantly it gives the hydration, how instantly it making it seem so healthy, so glowy. You can see it's really very hydrating, like it gives you the exact amount of hydration you needed without making it sticky. Like मुझे कुछ फील ही नहीं हो रहा है कि मैंने एक्चुअली कुछ अप्लाई किया है, पर जब देख रही हूँ तब देख के बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, बिकॉज इट्स really giving me the hydration, and I'm liking, like if you can compare, you can see this is nothing, like it has nothing on it, but it has a sheen because I have just moisturized this part, and this is really amazing. The smell is really good. It's of course lasts long, but definitely you can reapply every 5 to 6 hours, and it's very easy to use. So this is the first product, which is a body milk from Nykaa. Second one is a body yogurt. So what is a body yogurt? So a yogurt is a gel based texture. So its formula is gel based, and we all know gel base works amazing on oily skin, amazing on oily people. So it's in gel based form, and it's exactly like water. Like once you just scoop it out and once you apply it, it just melts into water and it's absorbed very instantly, and it lasts for a long time. Like compared to lotion, cream or anything, body yogurt lasts for a long time. It really gives that last hydrating effect, and it's really easy to use. So the third product which I will be showing is from the house of Mamaearth, and you guys know I love Mamaearth, especially their Uptan range. I have used every their Uptan range, and this is their Mama yogurt, turmeric and saffron Mama Earth Uptan yogurt, and I've loved their range, and this is really cool. I love the smell, and since it contains turmeric and saffron, that's the reason it has a yellow color to it. You can see texture looks like, and once I apply it, I'm applying it on the same hand as well. See, you can see anything, no color will be there, no residue will be left. It's just a normal jelly, like just apply it like a jelly, instantly it gets absorbed into your skin, and it lasts for a long time. The effect lasts for a long time compared to other lotion, body butter. No matter how much range you go up, the effect of this will last for a long time. And turmeric, it has glycerin, argan oil, shea butter, then carrot seed oil, saffron extract, so many things it has, and I am loving it. It's cruelty free as well, and it's paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, suitable for every skin tone. So I will suggest everyone to get this body milk and body yogurt, especially in summer, because वो आपका एकदम वो lightly feel करवाएंगे, लगेगा ही नहीं कुछ आपने अप्लाई किया है, but at the same time जो आपकी स्किन बॉडी हाइड्रेशन ज़रूरी है, जो मॉइस्चराइजेशन ज़रूरी है आपकी स्किन के लिए, they will provide the same amount of result. So definitely body milk or body yogurt, go from any of these two, and this one is bang on, man. All the Uptan range of Mamaearth is a plus from my side. I love it. Now coming to the fourth product, this is again from the house of Mamaearth, and this is the newest collection. कुछ में नहीं हुआ है, इसको लॉन्च किया हुआ है, and I have been used for 1 week. सारा दिन नहीं हुआ है, but I'm loving it just because of the formula. This is the Uptan, again from Uptan range. You know now how crazily like I am obsessed with Uptan range, and this is from the Uptan body lotion. This is the turmeric, and एक हफ्ता हुआ है मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. My mom is also using it, and I'm really loving it. So it comes in a pump size, so just take a pump and the product will come out. And अगर ख़त्म भी हो गया है तो आप इसको खोल सकते हो. खोल के you can take out, scoop out the rest of the product, and you can see the color. This is also of course same as the yogurt one. The lotion, its formula is a bit heavy compared to body milk and yogurt, but समर के लिए एकदम परफेक्ट है. Hydration, non-greasy formula with natural ingredients, because it has turmeric, it has coconut butter, shea butter, saffron, and these are all like one of the most costliest ingredient and one of the most natural ingredients and expensive. As the body yogurt one, mineral oil and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and for normal skin. Texture how it looks like, and it's too light. Light in the sense, of course it's a bit heavy. Texture is a bit thick compared to milk and yogurt, but not at all greasy. It's very non-sticky. One on my Bath and Body Haul collection, if I'm not wrong. This is the black coconut sand 24-hour moisturization lotion, and this smells really good. It smells like coconut, fresh coconut. So if you are a coconut lover, you're gonna love this one. Price काफ़ी expensive है compared to this. This cost $12.99, काफ़ी expensive है. हालांकि वो बाकी सब I think within 400 में ही सब कुछ आ जाता है. This is 1200, like 400 price. Color slightly caramelized brown color, like a beige color, and this is also really light. Formula is exactly as same as the body lotion of Mamaearth, exactly light one, and I really love it. Smells really good. थोड़ा सा overpowering हो सकता है, like if you are someone who don't like smell or sensitive towards the smell, थोड़ा सा शायद problem हो सकता है, but eventually it will go out. Like the स्मेल विल गोज अवे इवेंचुअली, तो उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा आप लोगों को. तो आई एम लाइकिंग इट, काफ़ी मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. स्पेशली वैक्सिंग करने के बाद जब मैं यूज़ करती हूँ, स्किन काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्लो देता है. एंड आई ट्राई टू यूज़ लाइक ऑल्टरनेटिवली, जैसे कि दिन में आई ऑलवेज यूज़ दिस वन मिल्क और योगर्ट, बट जब रात के टाइम भी मैं लगाती हूँ, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू माई स्किन इज़ वेरी ड्राई. तो रात के टाइम में आई ऑलवेज यूज़ हैवी प्रोडक्ट्स. लाइक हैवी मीन्स थोड़ा सा हैवी होता है, बिकॉज रात के टाइम में सब कुछ करके मैं सो जाती हूँ, तो उतना प्रॉब्लम या इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. तो रात के टाइम में इधर ये लगाती हूँ, नहीं तो आई यूज़ दिस वन, एनी ऑफ द टू. बट really very moisturizing, so this gives you 24 hour moisturization. आई डोंट नो 24 आवर्स देता है या नहीं, उतना तो मैं देखती नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स मैं 24 घंटे तो बिना नहा के नहीं रहूँगी. आई विल टेक अ बाथ. तो जब तक शावर नहीं तब तक ये ठीक रहता है. एंड it also contain shea butter and vitamin E, which is really good for our skin, and at the same time hydrating and moisturization. So these are my 5 holy grail products, like summer products, which I use on my during the summer time, my body lotion. So comment down below which body lotion you like to use during the summer routine, during the summertime, during the hot humid days. I would really love to know. And I really hope you like the video, and I will link down everything, the price, from where you can get it, everything linked in the description box. So please don't forget to check that as well. And see you on my next video. Please guys, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and yeah, see you guys next week. Bye.